Hey there, Tall Man Clan, welcome back. This morning we are going to look at a Pinnacle. This is the 38 FBRK. It is a brisk Florida morning. Let's go take a look. Now the Pinnacles have a drop frame, and so you have this large extra storage compartment here because this whole area is dropped down. As you can see on the other side, there's a place to put 5-gallon water jugs because there's filtered water inside. If you look up, there's two big awnings, one that starts at the very front of the coach and goes over the door, and then another one that is on the side. Don't forget you've got your frameless windows all the way through. This is 4-season rated. I believe this is a TV out here full time, which is great. You've got some more storage back here. Actually, this is access to the refrigerator. All right, as we come around to the back, I love the Pinnacles because they have the full fiberglass rear, which is great. Got a utility hitch, ladder that gets up to the back. All right, your power is on a reel, so to reel it up, you don't have to wrangle it. You just press a button and it rolls up itself. Here is one of your tanks. It's a gray tank, your sewer connection. Here is the other sewer connection right here. Your water bay is right here. All right. Now let's take a look at the numbers, Lisa. All right, this has a gross vehicle weight of 18,000 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of 2,618 pounds. By the way, behind here is your propane. As we come up to the front, you have an upgraded More Ride pin box. And your utility cabinet is up there with your batteries. If you want to put a generator, it's all pre-wired for that. And your hydraulics for your 6-point auto level system are right there. So let's go look inside. So as you come in, you have this amazing sofa section, Lisa.
I love that.
Right?
Yes.
Talking about just chilling and lounging.
Yes.
We could both lay down on this.
I think we could.
Right? Yeah. There are recliners in here, so it's not just a sofa. So this actually reclines out, which is really sweet. And so does this little one here. Okay. I don't believe this comes out because this is a bed. This would fold out to a bed. Right across, nice big TV. Soundbar, fireplace, which thank the Lord is on because it is cold this morning.
It is a little chilly.
It's like 43 degrees this morning here in Florida. Yesterday it was like 76. The weather in Florida in the winter is kind of like a lady trying to get dressed to go out on the on the town for the night. Can't figure out what clothes to wear. The weather can't figure out what it wants to be here in Florida. Okay, you got a dinette that seats 4. There's 2 chairs here. There's 2 more hidden. Okay, there's a little, I call it a buffet, but a little shelf behind it, so if you're eating and you want to put your condiments or whatever up there, or even like a little unit to have your salt and pepper and napkins and stuff full time. Just a great place for that. Next to it, you got a desk.
Look at that.
I love this. Right?
Yes.
A lot of people are still working, yet they full time, or even if you go on vacation, extended vacation, and you need to work, you got a dedicated space to do that.
Love that.
I love that. And then we get into the back, Lisa, and there's this amazing chef's kitchen.
Yes, look at this. You've got everything that you need in here. Solid surface countertops, lots of countertops. We have this large stainless, black stainless farmhouse sink underneath. Look at that.
Look at that, a dishwasher.
Love it.
Love it.
Yes. We have our convection microwave. We have a residential 4-burner stove and a huge oven big enough for that Thanksgiving turkey.
All the cabinetry that goes all the way around.
All the way.
And it goes all the way back into that corner too, Lisa.
Yes, it does.
It goes back into the corner.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
And top
down
and
beneath.
bottom as well.
Yep, let's see. There's your trash can right there. Mm-hmm. Right, it's built in. There's also, it's hard to see, but there's a built-in cutting board right there, which I love. This is great. This is really thinking because you can pull the trash can out. Let's say you're prepping a bunch of vegetables, and you can pull this out and then just scrape the cuttings into the trash.
Love it.
Right?
Yeah.
Chef's kitchen.
Right, and you've got your utensil drawer here.
Nice.
Some more cabinetry.
Nice.
Look at that.
Then a big food pantry.
Right?
Look at that, Lisa. Oh yeah, and it pulls out.
Yes.
Love it. And that's all adjustable.
Yeah.
See? On these rails there, so it's all adjustable.
Right. And then we have
big GE side-by-side residential refrigerator.
Yes.
And then another, I don't know, I guess you can call it a pantry as well.
Yeah.
I mean, just, or whatever you want to use it for. The shelves are pretty sturdy.
Mm-hmm. And there's a spot down there at the bottom to keep your covers.
The covers for your, yep. And if you notice, by the way, see they're slotted out? they're slotted so they won't slide out as you're going down the road.
Love that.
And we were talking about the 5-gallon water. There's your filtered water right there.
Beautiful.
All right, let's go up here.
All right.
As you see, there's a panel right there when you come in. You just open that up and you touch this sucker right there, and then you can change everything in the coach. And then there's this. Oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Tallman's Toilet Test.
If y'all are joining our channel for the first time and didn't know, I am 6'4", so use my height as reference as we're walking around. Also, if it's the first time, do us a huge favor. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, hit the notification bell too, right? We don't want you to miss any videos. It really helps out the channel, and we would sincerely appreciate it right down to the bottom of our heart. We appreciate you, okay? Again, lots of space in here, Lisa. This is definitely tall and fluffy approved.
Love it.
2 thumbs up. Right across is, or to my right actually, is your vanity. Again, solid surface, under countermount stainless sink, cool looking faucet, real tile backsplash. You have a nice storage underneath. Your toilet paper is already mounted there. We've got a closet in here if you want to put some linens, all the way up to the top and all the way down here to the bottom.
Love it.
You got a rear lit mirror for your vanity and also a towel ring here. I can see, up to here, but I wouldn't be doing my hair in here. Not that I have hair.
Is that a medicine chest?
It is a medicine cabinet. So you just open that up and, you can put some extra drugs in there.
Very nice.
All right, let's go up into the master. Got a little bar here for climbing up the stairs if you need it. So you've got an RV King mattress. I believe this is 72 by 80. Underneath you have lots of storage. That's where and your other chairs would go for your dinette. Okay. There's no nightstands left and right, but you do have these little shelves here on the outside. There's USB power and regular power right there on the ground, so if you need a CPAP, you can do that. And it's the same on the other side. Okay. There's a little cubby up there as well, Lisa. Forgot to mention that while you were over on that side.
Don't know how I missed that,
Yeah,
but
that's okay.
I did.
Now this bed is on a slide, which is great, so you have all this extra room right here in front of the bed, which is awesome.
Yeah, that's great.
And then you've got a big 4-drawer dresser, TV. There's some hidden storage here. This just lifts up.
Oh, nice.
Okay. In the drawers, they're deep this way, not too deep that way, but deep enough. Okay. And then we get into the master bathroom. I got a duck to get in, but it's not a big deal. I'm used to it at 6'4". Okay. You got your closet in there, but we'll look at that in a minute. It would normally look like this, okay? Again, plenty of room. This is a nice, big, spacious bathroom, right? So definitely tall and fluffy approved in here as well. Right to Lisa's left, you have your vanity, real big vanity, 2 vessel sinks, his and hers, really cool faucets. Big, huge mirror, all backlit. As you see, though, there's no vanity in here, so maybe you got to keep your pills up there, your drugs and stuff.
Yeah, I guess so.
I mean, I suppose you can put like a little tray or something down here and keep them down here.
Yeah, you could do that.
Yep. All right. And then the shower. I'm afraid of the shower. Okay, because look, I'm standing here. The ceiling is barrel vaulted, so as you see, I have some clearance here. But if I'm over by the sinks, you see I have far less clearance. So if you look, that shower has got a big step up in there.
And it's not just a lip.
Yep. So
it is raised.
as you see, there's a bench in here, which is nice. And it's a huge shower, Lisa.
It is.
But look, let me turn this way. All right, catch my profile. All right, so I can't stand up in here. Now it has a skylight, so but I'm even touching the top of the skylight. I mean, can you hear the creaking?
Yes.
And I'm not going on my tiptoes. I'm just standing straight, which stinks because this is a really nice floor plan.
It is.
I mean, I could scooch, a little bit, but I don't know because it's a real nice shower head. Got some body washes down there. For me, it would be shin wash. But yeah, look at this. I mean, this is definitely a 2-person shower, but not for the tall. Really, I would say here you got to be under 6 feet.
Yeah. And those screws are...
Yeah, they're hanging down.
Yeah,
so.
they are. They're not recessed.
Yeah. Anyway, so there you go. There's the shower.
So what would you think, 6'1",
No,
maybe?
6 foot max.
6 foot max.
Yeah, really.
Okay.
I mean, for this area. Over here, 6'1", 6'2", right? I'd say 6'2". It'd be tight, but 6'2". They wouldn't be touching it like I was touching it. Okay. Then up here is your closet, and this is a true walk-in closet, guys. I mean, look at this. I mean, you can come all the way in.
You can.
Yeah.
And you can stand up better there than in the shower.
I can. Well, there's no.
Yeah, it's not raised.
No raised. But that gives you a good idea, right? I'm touching the roof here, but there's no raised area. So imagine that 4-inch raised. That's why I said about 6 foot would be max. So you have some nice cubbies here. You also have some nice cubbies in the back. You have some nice cubbies over here. All 4 bars for hanging stuff, and it's washer dryer prepped.
Love it.
For a stackable.
Yeah, very nice.
So there you go, guys. Let us know what you think of this floor plan. I mean, other than that shower, for me, I mean, it's absolutely amazing. But, being the tall guy that I am, that's my problems. If I find toilets that fit me good, then the showers don't. If I find showers that fit me good, then the toilets don't. It is what it is. Anyway, let us know what you think of the floor plan. Leave a comment below. And until we see you all again on the road, be safe.